Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Tired of stubborn weeds ruining your garden's beauty and wasting your time every weekend with endless bending and digging? Discover the best long-handled weed puller that delivers comfort, strength, and precision, helping you clean your lawn faster. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Grampa's Weeder Puller. The Grampa's Weeder Puller stands out as a timeless gardening tool with a design that has been trusted since 1913. Built with a simple, old-school mechanism, this stand-up weeder focuses on efficiency without unnecessary complexity. Its 45-inch long handle allows you to remove weeds while standing upright, eliminating the need for bending, kneeling, or straining your back and knees. For gardeners who spend hours maintaining lawns and flower beds, this ergonomic advantage alone makes a noticeable difference in comfort and endurance. What truly sets this tool apart is its original 4-claw steel head, engineered to grip weeds firmly at the root. It performs especially well in softer soil conditions, such as after rainfall or watering, where the claws can penetrate deeply and extract the entire root system. This makes it highly effective against common lawn invaders like dandelions and other taproot weeds. However, it is worth noting that performance may be reduced in extremely hard clay or rocky soil. Durability is another strong point. Made with sturdy materials and backed by decades of proven use, this weeder is designed to last for years.
Number 2. Fiskars Claw Puller. The Fiskars Claw Puller is a modern manual weed removal tool designed to make lawn maintenance quicker, easier, and more comfortable. Known for its innovative garden equipment, Fiskars has developed this stand-up weeder with ergonomics and efficiency in mind. The lightweight long shaft handle allows users to remove weeds without kneeling or bending, reducing strain on the back and knees during extended gardening sessions. A standout feature of this weeder is its 4 serrated stainless steel claws. These claws are engineered to firmly grip weeds in their roots for permanent removal. The integrated viewing window is a thoughtful addition, letting you clearly see where the claws are positioned before stepping down. This improves accuracy and ensures better root extraction. Once the weed is removed, the easy eject mechanism releases it without requiring you to touch the soil, keeping your hands clean and saving time. Comfort is another area where this tool excels. The offset handle design reduces wrist strain, making repetitive use more manageable.
Number 3. CKLT 60-inch Puller. The CKLT 60-inch puller offers a versatile approach to weed control by combining multiple gardening functions into a single tool. Designed as a 2-in-1 solution, it features a sharp trapezoid hoe for breaking soil and cutting weeds, along with a 9-cm rake attachment ideal for pulling weeds or cleaning debris from brick joints. This multi-purpose functionality reduces the need to switch between tools, making gardening more efficient and organized. One of its most impressive qualities is the construction material. Forged from tempered spring steel, both the hoe and rake heads are designed to flex under pressure without bending or breaking. This makes the tool more resilient than standard carbon steel alternatives, ensuring long-term durability even with demanding use. The textured sand paint coating enhances grip, while also providing rust resistance, which is essential for outdoor equipment. The adjustable 60-inch handle is another major advantage. Composed of 4 stainless steel sections that screw together securely, the handle can be customized to suit different heights or tasks. Whether you prefer standing while weeding open areas or shortening the handle for close-up work in raised beds, this adaptation reduces back strain and increases comfort.
Number 4. Grampa's Metal Puller. The Grampa's Metal Puller builds upon the original 1913 design while upgrading the construction to an all-steel body for maximum durability. This version retains the classic simplicity that made the original famous, but enhances strength with heavy-duty materials meant to last a lifetime. Assembly is straightforward, requiring only a simple twist of the 3 main pieces before use. With its 45-inch stand-up handle, this weeder allows gardeners to remove weeds without bending or kneeling. The addition of foam grips improves comfort during extended sessions, while the solid steel shaft ensures dependable performance. The heavy-duty 4-claw head is specifically engineered to tackle common lawn weeds such as dandelions, thistles, and crabgrass, particularly those with deep taproots. Like the original version, this tool performs best in softer soil, where the claws can penetrate deeply enough to extract the entire root.
When used in the right conditions, it provides effective and permanent weed removal without the need for chemical herbicides. This makes it a safe option for households with children and pets.
Number 5. MORAIS Eject Puller. The MORAIS Eject Puller is a thoughtfully designed stand-up weeding tool that prioritizes comfort, efficiency, and durability. Featuring a telescoping handle adjustable from 39 to 46 inches, it accommodates users of different heights and reduces the need for bending or kneeling. This ergonomic design helps minimize strain on the back, knees, and wrists, making it suitable for extended gardening sessions. Its weed removal system includes 2 long stainless steel claws combined with 2 sharp serrated forks. This 4-claw configuration penetrates deeply into the soil to grip roots firmly, ensuring thorough removal of stubborn weeds such as dandelions, thistles, and crabgrass. The integrated foot pedal provides additional leverage, allowing users to drive the claws deeper into compact soil with minimal effort. One of the most convenient features is the push-button eject mechanism. After extracting a weed, you can release it directly from the claws without touching the soil, keeping your hands clean and streamlining the process.
Thank you for spending time with us today. We hope this guide has been helpful and informative. Don't forget to explore, experiment, and enjoy every step of the process. Stay curious, stay inspired, and make the most of your journey. Until next time.